So, if Valorant is freezing on your PC and ruining your gameplay, don't worry, this is a common issue. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can stop screen freezing and make the game run smoother. Let's get into it. Step 1. Run Valorant as administrator. Go to the Valorant install folder, then find valorant.exe. Right-click, then Properties, then Compatibility. Enable, disable full screen optimizations, then Apply. Step 2. Turn off hardware GPU scheduling. Right-click Desktop, then Display Settings, then Graphics, then Advanced Graphics. Turn hardware accelerated GPU scheduling off. Then restart your PC. Step 3. Adjust Windows performance settings. Search Advanced System Settings, then Performance Settings. Select Adjust for best performance or disable animations manually. Step 4. Close background apps. Close browsers, launchers, and unused apps before starting Valorant.